Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Today we're going to talk about the importance of the rear spoiler. Picking the wrong one could be catastrophic. You want people to see your car and go, dang, instead of, dang, ugh. You know what I'm saying.
If you want to help an undecided foxbody owner pick the right spoiler for their car, go to the community tab of our page and vote for your favorite.
Alright, so if you own a notchback, your factory options were naked or no spoiler, luggage rack, or 92-93 feature car. Your aftermarket notchback options are Cobra, Celine, ducktail, fabricated wing like what you'd find on a drag car, or other. Now, other could be this one. A buddy of mine had this on his convertible. It was an 82 Firebird spoiler, and it actually fit the car, and it worked. So, anyways, what do you think?
All right, if you're looking for a hatchback option, your factory options were the 79 to 83 three-piece spoiler, the 84 to 93 LX spoiler, the 84 to 86 SVO dual wing, which actually looks pretty good on an Aero Nose GT. You also had the 87 to 93 GT, and lastly, the 93 Cobra were your factory options for your hatchback. All right, guys, our last poll is for the aftermarket hatchbacks. So your options were the ducktail, the Celine spoiler, either the single piece or the stacked version, the 87 to 93 GT spoiler stretched 3 inches, the Steeda Aero, which is a stretched LX version, and lastly, the Detch, which came in the 1-piece or the 2-piece rainbow stack. So check out our community tab after this video and vote for your favorite foxbody spoiler. Thanks for watching, guys. Another production of FOMO Bros. We're excited to hear what the Ford Motor Brotherhood says.